everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have a shoe haul for you, specifically high heels. So until then, just wait. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry. Today we're doing shoes, but if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask that you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, let's jump on into the video. All right, so I actually have five pairs of shoes to show you. One of them I don't have yet because it's Memorial Day as I'm filming this. Happy Memorial Day, a happy day off work. It's not gonna get here until like June 2nd. Me and my husband are leaving for New York on Friday, so I'm very excited about that. Basically, I haven't worn heels my entire life. I'm 27 years old and I've only worn heels for like special occasions like weddings. That's it. Or like other super fancy occasions or something. But I see a lot of people online and on Instagram wearing just like casual heels, and it's really fun and I like it a lot. So I did get some heels. Three pairs of them are from Amazon, just because, you know, I'm newer into heels, so I didn't want to be spending like a butt ton of money just buying heels to try them out. Like, I'm very new to them, so I did get 3 pair from Amazon and then 2 pair I got other places. So yeah, I wanted to do like a try on, and basically what I wanted to do is be able to wear heels before going to New York, because me and my husband have like a dinner reservation at this like super fancy restaurant. It's insane. It's like the first super fancy restaurant I've ever been to, and my ass doesn't want to show up in sneakers. So also, I should preface this by saying these are the pairs that I decided to keep. I went through a lot of other ones that I did not like and sent back. So these are the first ones, and these are by Steve Madden. I actually did get these from Amazon though, but they're by Steve Madden, and they were on like that Amazon try before you buy kind of thing. So I was able to try these out, made sure I liked them before buying them, and I do think that these were like $80, $90, something like that. But they're like heeled sandals. I really like the look of heeled sandals for summertime, and I liked these a lot. These ones were actually the first ones that I decided to keep because they're very comfortable, believe it or not. It's kind of crazy that I wore these actually out for lunch with my family last week, and they were great. They were not uncomfortable. They were really nice. One thing that I will say on these is that the sizing is a bit weird. So it has like this toe strap right here, right? So this toe strap is very tight. I got these in an 8.5, and every single review on these actually had not awesome reviews because people were saying that the sizing was so off. The toe bit is actually still really tight, so if you had like a stretcher, you could stretch this out and it would be much better. So it's very tight. And then of course it has one of these little doodads here, and then I normally make this bit just a tiny bit looser because I know the toe part is so tight. I mean, it does have like a square-ish toe to it, which I actually really like. I know a lot of people are like not about that whole square toe trend, you know, like the Bottega Veneta like super square toe. I know people are not about that. I kind of like it. I don't know why. I kind of like it. So it does have a square toe, and yeah, I think they're really nice. Next up, I have these ones, and these ones are the ones that I'm probably gonna wear to my fancy dinner, which I like them a lot. They are just like an Amazon brand, or I don't even know if they're an Amazon brand. They're just sold on Amazon, but they're by the company called Dream Pairs, and they are these suede black pointed toe heels. These are actually super freaking comfortable. I got these in an 8.5 as well. I'm really between an 8 and an 8.5. Of course, I would rather my shoes be like a tiny bit too big than be too tight, because if they're too tight, I just can't wear them. I'm just like, well, I'm screwed now. But yeah, these are really nice. I like these a whole lot, and I have been wearing them nearly every day just to like break them in and make sure that I can wear these, because these are the ones that I want to wear for the fancy dinner in New York. I am liking these a lot. Again, the last Amazon pair I have here are also by that Dream Pairs company, and these are pumps. These are nude. The other two that I've shown are black. These ones are the first nude pair, and these are actually in an 8. The reason why I got these in an 8 is because every single review that I saw of these said to get your regular size and to stretch them out. They are definitely tighter than what I'm used to. They're tight on the toe here, but these, as you can see, are pointed toe pumps. And I want to say these heel heights are maybe like 80 millimeters, something like that. They're not super high because Lord knows I cannot be doing a stiletto right now. Again, they are a little tighter. I am gonna try to maybe stretch out the toe bit. I don't really know how to do that. I actually did get a pair from Jessica Simpson and I really liked them, but the 8 was too small and the 8.5 was too big. And what I tried to do is, I've already returned them, so I am gonna tell you this, but I hope I don't tattle on me. But for the 8s, I did read online that you could like put a bag of water into like this bit of the shoe right here and then put them in the freezer and they would stretch out, because apparently cold makes leather, because they were patent leather, those ones. Apparently cold makes leather stretch out or makes it softer or something like that. So I tried doing that. It did absolutely nothing for this bit, but it stretched out the heel. So I had to send both of them back. Maybe I'll rebuy the Jessica Simpson ones one day because I really liked them. They were really nice, but I couldn't wear either one of them because the 8.5 was too big. And the 8 was now also too big. So these ones are great. I'm gonna not do anything to these and just hopefully stretch them out by wearing socks. I should have just did that in the beginning with the other ones, but c'est la vie, I guess. Now, let's actually go for the ones that I don't have physically yet. I'll show you a picture of them right here. I got these from Revolve. These are actually the most expensive ones that I have picked up, and if I don't love them, I will be sending them back because they're way too expensive to spend on shoes right now because I'm very new into heels, but I really liked them, so I wanted to give them a shot. But if I don't absolutely fall head over heels in love with them, they're going back. But I will insert a clip here because I should be getting them before this video goes up, so I'll insert a clip here really quick showing you what they look like on, and yeah. All right, you guys, here are the shoes that I was talking about. They did come in just now. I have them on, and you guys, I am obsessed with these shoes. I don't have my little mic on right now. I do apologize if the audio is weird in this clip, but these shoes are so nice. I love them. They are a bit tight. I did get a size 39 in these. They are a little tight, but to be totally honest, I don't even care. They are so pretty and beautiful, and I love them so much. They even have like grippy things on the bottom so that you don't slide around. These are probably my favorites out of all of them so far. And yeah, these are 1,000,000% going with me to New York because they're so nice, and they're kind of tight. Like the bands around the toe and the ankle are pretty tight, so they're not gonna fly off. What did you think of those? I hope they're nice. Please let me know what you thought. On to the very last pair of shoes. These I got from Zappos, and these are by Kurt something, London, and these are beautiful. These are like a camel color, tan camel color type of heel. These are the ones that these are the only ones that I have so far that don't have a back. I actually don't think that the ones that I showed you previously have a back either, but I forgot. But these don't have a back. These only have a front, and they have this little bit right here that goes over your foot. Now, these, I really like the look of these. They're really nice. I don't think I'm gonna return these. However, the sizing on these is really weird. I got an 8.5 in these, and I read all the reviews, and they said the sizing was insane. So they said that the actual shoe part runs a little small. So I sized up, of course, got an 8.5. And then they said also, oh no, I didn't. I got a 39. I got a 39 in these, not even a 38.5. I got a 39. So I sized up a full size in these. I can fit these no problem with my actual foot. If I would have got a 38.5, my foot would have been hanging off the end. Okay, but these ones, they fit great on my foot, but the strap thing right here is massive. There's a lot of strap here. I don't think anyone would really notice if the strap is not sitting at the proper place. I really like the shoes. I think the shoes are really nice. I don't know who designed these shoes. I don't know why they decided to make the strap so large in comparison to the actual shoe. I have no idea how things work, but anyways, they're very, very beautiful shoes. I really like them. Again, they're still kind of up in the air. I could send them back, but I don't know if I want to, because these are like originally 200 bucks and I got them on Zappos for like 120, so. Of course, I will have everything linked in the description if you wanted to do some shopping as well. I should have said that in the beginning. I always forget to say that in the beginning of videos, but yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all my shoes. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments what was your favorite shoe that I tried on today. Let me know if you have gotten into any new shoe brands, or let me know what your favorite is. Of course, I want to get into like, you know, designer shoes. The next ones on my wish list are, of course, the Jimmy Choo Rami heels. But those, I just need to wait a little bit and kind of get used to wearing heels. Honestly, I love a casual heel. I really do, but sometimes I need to get it out of my head that if I wear a heel, I don't need to go somewhere fancy. Like I wouldn't go to Target in heels. But like in theory, when me and my husband go to like the Cheesecake Factory, I could wear them there. But then I'd have to walk around in them in the mall. I'm a little all over the place. Anyways, yeah, I like heels now, and let me know what was your favorite that I tried on today. Let me know of any that you like a lot, and I really hope again that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to, and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!